What's ironic? Every YouTuber and every productivity coach tells you how to manage your time. Wake up at 5 a.m., meditate for 30 minutes, follow this exact routine and my course. But I will tell you the dark truth. They are not teaching how to live. They are selling you a dream because no one cares about your real life. Only about your clicks, your subscription and your money. Hi everyone, this is Manshi Gupta. Welcome to the new video of Awaken. Today I'm going to tell you something that no YouTuber will tell you ever about time management and how you can actually take control by yourself. So first we discussed the problem with time management advice. Let's be honest, most time management advice be useless. You wake up at 5 a.m. like they say, follow the perfect schedule exactly this. You are trying to force yourself to be productive. And at the end of the day, you feel guilty after following all of this. And you tell yourself, why didn't I finish this? Why I am wasting my time? Because here is the truth. Time management is not all about the routine. It's about energy management. It's about what deserves your attention and what doesn't. Think about it. YouTubers selling you courses, planners, apps, templates, but they are not living your life. They don't know your struggles, your distraction, or your responsibility. So why are you trying to live their schedule instead of your life? Second, we can discuss real heroes teach this. If you want to learn the real time management, stop following your gurus. Learn from real heroes. Person who built a business from zero while working 12 hours a day. The student who applied for exams without any fancy planner or YouTube hack. The parents who juggles family, work and still grow personally. Because these people don't have courses to sell you. They just figure it out day by day using common sense, discipline and priorities. That's your real lesson. You don't need a template. You need clarity. Third, what time management is. Time management is not about checking boxes. It's not about working 18 hours a day. It's about understanding what actually matters in your life. So, ask yourself first, am I spending my time that actually move me forward? Am I wasting my time on social media? Unnecessary comparisons and distractions? Am I using my energy for people and tasks that actually matters? Time is limited, energy is limited, focus is also limited. Stop giving it to things that give nothing back. So yes friends, this is the dark truth. Most people are not busy, they are distracted. Fourth, how to take control. Step 1, awareness. Track how you spend your day for 2 to 3 days. Don't judge, just observe. How many hours you spend your meaningful work versus scrolling, distraction or overthinking. Identify your one thing every day. The task that actually matters the most. Focus on that before anything else. Step 3. Say no. It's saying no to unnecessary meeting. For example, अगर आपके दोस्त आपको बुला रहे हैं खेलने के लिए या कहीं बाहर जाने के लिए, घूमने के लिए, तो प्लीज उनसे नो कहना सीखो. क्योंकि ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप हर एक चीज को करते जाओगे तो आपका टाइम बटेगा. आपको अपनी प्रायोरिटी सेट करनी होगी. तभी आप अपने टाइम को बचा पाओगे. स्टेप 4, क्रिएट योर ओन सिस्टम. यू डोंट नीड अ यूट्यूब रूटीन और अ कोर्स. एक्सपेरिमेंट, फेल, एडजस्ट एंड रिपीट. ये आपके लिए जरूर काम करेगा क्योंकि ये आपने सिस्टम बनाया है, अपने हिसाब से बनाया है, ना कि किसी और के कहने से. क्योंकि जितना आप खुद को जानते हो, दूसरा आपको नहीं जान सकता. Why most people fail? Most people fail at time management because they copy someone else's life. They chase always perfection कि मुझे हर एक चीज परफेक्ट करनी है और जिस वजह से वो स्टार्ट ही नहीं कर पाते और वो अपनी लिमिट्स को इग्नोर करते हैं. एक दिन बहुत ज्यादा समय दे दिया और दूसरे दिन कुछ नहीं किया तो ये बहुत ही बेकार रूटीन है। अगर आप भी इस चीज को फॉलो करते हो तो प्लीज अभी रोक दो। चाहे थोड़ा करो पर डेली करो। रिमेंबर, इवन द मोस्ट डिसिप्लिन पीपल हैव ऑल्सो डिस्ट्रैक्शन, failures and off days. Time management is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent and intentional. You have 24 hours, same as Elon Musk and Bill Gates. Time management is not doing more. Start asking by yourself, what actually matters to me? So, this Sunday, stop wasting to watch time management tips or videos. But you will never succeed by copying someone else's life or what drain my energy. How can I create my own system and my own routine? So my friends, the dark truth is simple. No YouTuber will tell you the exact routine that they should follow. Because everyone have different life, everyone have different things. So, you don't achieve success, just follow their routine. You achieve success when you follow your routine. Start today, build your system and make a daily routine according to you because this will definitely work for you. Thank you everyone for watching this video.